guys, Nanik here. Today we're going to harvest what's left as we're getting ready to, I guess, enter the winter. Potato day today.
More here for sure. That's a healthy looking one.
Yep.
Oh yeah, there's a gold one. There's one, there's two, there's three, we got four.
Yeah, I think there's more here. Probably.
4 potatoes so far.
Ooh.
I split it. Potatoes out of the ground.
Oh man. Where's the half of this one that you split? Oh, gee.
That's a big guy. There's no way I would have missed that one. That thing is huge.
Gee, that's the biggest one.
That one that I split is basically
But anything that's split, we have to pretty much cook now.
Yep.
This is pretty much my very first time growing potatoes, and I even actually planted them very late in the game. I didn't even have any hope that this would happen, so this is not bad. Okay, so it needs to be stored in a cool, dry, dark place. So anything that's not being used, I'll put here, and anything that needs to be cooked today, like this split ones, I will put here. You can take it to mom and dad too. Be like,
Cook it there.
this is from my garden. Thank you for telling me how to plant potatoes.
They actually just harvested their potatoes too.
Oh yeah?
They have about twice as many as what you have right now.
Yeah. Look at that. That's not bad for a late in the game harvest or planting and harvest. Amazon boxes come in handy.
We're not shipping it anywhere, right? I want those potatoes.
We'll ship it straight to my garage for now. There we go.
And in my stomach right after.
Right. We are not going to overthink. The point is the fresh potatoes. So we'll just make some home fries and some eggs. Towards the end, I'll dump some butter on this because potatoes and butter, they love each other. Whoa, that was not very nice of me. This pot isn't big enough because now we have items on top of each other, which will be very different. It's okay. This is also from my garden. I haven't really cooked anything with these, but they're supposed to be sweet. Good. They are. This actually reminds me of my grandma's home fries. She used to cook for a very large family, so obviously there would be no pot big enough to accommodate, so it would come out more like this, which I'm really excited about. Definitely need to put some butter in there. Whoa. Don't do that. It's not the smart way of doing it.
So good. Nothing these fresh potatoes.
Yeah.
Seriously.
It's hot.
Ooh, ah. This is why you don't eat from the stove.
Uh-huh.
Wow, very so delicious.
Oh my god. Oh boy, that's good. How do you even need to plate a goodness like this? Just dump it and eat it, right? This is probably not the right spatula for this. Drop of color. Yeah. Did you want your mandarin? See, I made a pretty plate for me. He didn't want the pretty plate. Yeah.
I'm more practical.
Hey, this is look at this. Look at that gorgeousness. Look at that color. Look at this. It's gonna dump. I'm gonna dump it.
Nice. I can't taste gorgeous. You know?
Actually, I like this too. Oh man, this does remind me of grandma's fries.
Yum.
Mm-hmm.
So damn good.
This is amazing. I think-
More chocolate, but it is pretty damn delicious.
Ooh, look at that.
Look, I made an express. So now I can just kind of slice it and go to town.
That's it for today. We harvested some potatoes, cooked it, and we'll just eat this breakfast and head to mom and dad's.
Hmm?
All right. Thanks for joining as always. Ta-ta.
Yeah, we'll head to mom and dad to tell them about the food we ate without them.
I can cook more.